Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, August 27th, 2025. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines as we made it through the midweek already. Labor Day weekend right around the corner. Getting excited. Hopefully you have some time off coming up. If not, I hope you just have fun. But here is your Wednesday headlines. We start with the Fitchburg Forestry Survey. That is still going through this weekend. The city of Fitchburg has received grant funding from the Wisconsin DNR to develop a strategic urban forestry management plan, and we need your input. The Moving Fitchburg Forestry project, our Forward project, is an endpoint in a strategic urban forestry management plan to be done by the end of the year. The plan will outline what urban forestry resources the city of Fitchburg has, identify goals and objectives for the urban forestry program, and create a plan on how to accomplish these goals and objectives. We need you to take that survey. It's open now through the 1st of September. You can go online at our website, fitchburgwi.gov. It's right there on the homepage to take this survey. There are hard copies available at City Hall and the Senior Center. It takes about 10 minutes. And again, this feedback is essential to help shape the future of the Fitchburg trees and green spaces. We appreciate everybody who's participated so far. And we hope everybody else participates here as we work through the survey and putting that plan together. All right, City of Fitchburg will be closed on Labor Day. Labor Day is on Monday, September 1st. City Hall, Community Center, Senior Center, and the Fitchburg Public Library will be closed. However, the Fitchburg Public Library is closed August 31st through September 1st, FYI. But we'll be closed on September 1st as well and reopen on Tuesday, September 2nd at our normal business hours. Creative Mapping Lab. This is on Thursday, August 28th. This tomorrow. Join the Fitchburg Planning and Zoning Department at 10:45 a.m. on Thursday, August 28th for a casual, family-friendly mapping lab as part of the development of the city's upcoming comprehensive plan. This is so cool. This is your opportunity to share your perspective and showcase your creativity. Art supplies will be provided for you to draw a map of our Fitchburg, highlighting your favorite spots to relax, have fun, shop, eat, and so much more. At the end, we'll give you a tour using your map. No artistic experience needed. Just come down and enjoy the lab. If you got any questions, you can check in with our planning and zoning group there. This is going to be at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Hope to see you out there. The splash pad at McKee Farms Parks will be closing after Labor Day weekend. I know it's been kind of cold out, so maybe you're not really enjoying it this week. But nevertheless, the hours are 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Through Labor Day at McKee Farms Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road in Fitchburg. Bring the kids, bring a towel, bring a blanket until it warms up. It's gotten warmer, and it will be getting warmer here by the end of the week. But again, that closes after Labor Day. Fall recycling event is coming up on September 13th. Want to remind you of this. Fitchburg Fall Shred and E-Recycling event is coming up on September 13th. It's a Saturday from 8 to 11 a.m. The city of Fitchburg, again, is partnering with Pelletory Waste Systems and Resource Solutions for this biannual recycling event. You can gather up to 3 grocery bags of confidential paper for shredding and old electronics for recycling. Note, batteries are not accepted at this event, so please do not bring them to City Hall on the 13th. Not going to happen. And then just consider that there are some extra fees associated with some of the electronics for recycling. If you check the flyer, as you can see, there is some extra costs. You can check that out ahead of time, which I encourage you to do before you get down here to City Hall on that day. Make sure you know what might cost extra. And finally, turning over to checking your measles vaccine status. It is super easy. I talked about this earlier this week, but I want to remind you there are now, as of when I had this, there were 14 confirmed connected cases of the measles outbreak in Oconto County. These 5 additional cases were indicate that is now spreading within the county in that community. Wisconsin Department of Health Services is encouraging everybody in Wisconsin to check their vaccination status and get up to date if they are not. And there is some great resources for this that you can check out. Public Health of Massachusetts County has information about measles, everything you need to know about the symptoms, about being vaccinated, the vaccine, and its effectiveness, and any other questions you might have. But make sure you check it out. It's a great free resource for you to do so. And you can also check in with your health officials too. So if you're not sure about checking through the state, you can check on with your health officials through your primary doctor. Have a great day, everybody.